This is the 49th edition of the Business Show, and I'm pleased to say yesterday was the busiest, biggest day that we've ever had. We've got 18 seminar and workshop theatres running concurrently, absolutely packed to the brim, all offering some amazing help and advice to the SME and small business audience.
This is a Dell Network sponsored event where customers can get together, share details, business cards, hopefully generate business for their own organisations and help drive best practice over the next few years.
So it's been great. It's been really busy for us here at the QuickBooks Online stand. Tons of businesses and entrepreneurs really looking to take their business to the next level.
As expected, the business show has been wonderful this year. We've had exceptional conversations with a wide variety of businesses, which is exactly why Tecta wanted to come this year.
There's loads of people here. It's been great to talk to so many different small businesses in various industries and looking at ways in which we can help support them on their growth journeys moving forward.
Been bowled over by the Property Masterclass we've been running here in the centre of the show. Incredible.
What an amazing show. So many people, so much atmosphere. We did a talk in one of the seminar rooms. The audience was amazing.
Oh, it's been absolutely fantastic. It's a show we'll often come to, and it's a show we'll be coming back to. It's great for customers, it's great for us as well.
Fantastic conversations, because to go global, you need to speak to people in their own language and culture, and that's exactly what we do.
Would definitely recommend this to anybody who is starting up a business or is beginning to build their business.
We've seen return on investment, we've rushed off our feet the last 2 days, and I highly recommend it.
And today we have really got to speak to many people. Even I got few clients who would want to work with us.
And I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of our sponsors, exhibitors, and last but not least, all of our amazing visitors.